Now, how do we find the area of a triangle when three coordinates are given? We can find out the area of a triangle when three coordinates are given. Last year you must have done Heron's formula. That was when three sides are given, right? Now here the three coordinates are given. x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3. Then how will you find out the area of this? Note down the formula for area of triangle. It is half x1, y2 minus y3, x2, y3 minus y1 plus x3, y1 minus y2. Okay, so this is in a cyclic order. It's not very, it's long, but it is not confusing. Actually, it's in order. See here, 1, 2, 3. So there's an order being followed here, 1, 2, 3. So here we've got x1, okay, x1, and then comes y2 minus y3. So 1, 2, 3 order. Then we'll start with x2, y3 minus y1. Then we'll start with x3. Then it goes y1 minus y2. So it goes in a cycle like this. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2. So that's how you remember this formula. Now once you have known this formula, this is to find the area of the triangle as I told before you. So one of the most important things that you have to note is that sometimes area comes negative. So please remember that area can never be negative. Now why is it coming negative? Because actually the formula, this is not brackets, but in class 10 we are doing brackets. In class 11 you will be introduced to a sign which is called modulus. Now when you put the modulus sign, actually even if there is a negative, you have to write it as positive. Positive is positive, negative is also positive. So we are not using that symbol because that is not in course. But for class 10 you just have to remember that area cannot be negative. So by chance in your calculation, if area comes negative, you will write area cannot be negative. Therefore answer is positive, whatever is the value, right? Second thing, note down that area, if it is 0, sometimes if area you are calculating and comes 0, that means the points are collinear. Points are collinear. So collinear points will have 0 area. If you are having a triangle, however big or however small, there will be a value associated with it. There could be a big value, there could be a very small value, but a triangle will always have a positive area. But if the points are collinear, that means they lie on the same line, then what will happen? The area will be 0. So this is also a method to find out whether points are collinear. Okay, in the first exercise there is a question, are the points collinear? So you could use this formula to find out they are collinear. Why? Because when we calculate the area, it is coming 0. We know that a line does not have any area. So these two are important points. Here I have demonstrated an example. So A, B, C, the three coordinates are given to you, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2 and 3, 4. So you can take any x1, y1, x2, y3, x3, y3. There is no definite rule. But normally as per the alphabetical order, so A becomes 2, 3, that is x1, y1. B is x2, y2 and C is x3, y3. But as I told you, the order doesn't matter. But you have to fix one. Now we are using this formula. So half of x1, I have taken x1 as 2, then y2 minus y3, so minus 2 minus 4, plus x2, that will become plus of minus 1, y3 minus y1, right, that's the formula, so 4 minus 3, plus x3, that is 3, into y1 minus y2, so 3 minus of minus 2, that will become plus 2, right. When we open this, you will get minus 6 into 2, minus 12, 4 minus 3 is 1, 1 into minus 1 is minus 1, 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 into 3 is 15. So this is minus 13 and plus 15 will come 2. 2 upon 2 we get 1. So area of what the triangle is 1 square unit. So like this you could get the answer in decimal fraction, but certainly you should not get in negative. If it comes negative by chance, then you will say area cannot be negative and write the positive value of that. If it comes 0, please note that the points are not forming the vertex of a triangle, they are collinear points.